with hay in the fields, sweating like a mule under that hot summer sun. Pitching them bells, Lord, my back done broke, but this here farm life's the only one I know. Hands are up, shirt soaked through, still I get up, still I do. Dust in my teeth, pain in my bones, somehow this dirt feels like home. This here farm life, this here farm life, I know the grind, I know the line. This here farm life, this here farm life, broken proud, right here now. Tractor calls from the day runs long, mama's screen door to the porch lights on, fence post leaning hog pen loud. I wear these scars like a workday crown. Hands are up, shirt soaked through, still I get up, still I do. Dust in my teeth, pain in my bones, somehow this dirt feels like home. This here farm life, this here farm life, I know the grind, I know the line. This here farm life, this here farm life, broken proud, right here now. Sunday comes and the fields go still, long shadows stretch on the split rail hill. If I had a choice, I'd choose this again, 'cause I was made for the work and the land. This here farm life, this here farm life.